Now, question 5b required that the candidates give 4 examples of performance measures that are used to manage and monitor performance of employees in organizations. So question 5b, give 4 examples of performance measures that may be used to manage and monitor performance of employees in an organization, and the question had 4 marks. Now, performance measures could be the indicators or could be the yardsticks that may be used in the performance monitoring and management within a given organization. So the examiner here intends that the candidate should provide 4 examples of performance measures. Now, some of these performance measures may include 1, customer care. So the level of customer care, if you have an employee who works in the customer care department, so the level of satisfaction of customers, which could be indicated by the kind of complaints or compliments. So this could be in terms of complaints or compliments that are experienced in the customer care unit or customer care department, could be an indicator of whether the customer care department is meeting the expectations of the customers and exceeding them, or their compliments that say the work they are doing is well. So based on this, during a time period, this could be used as an indicator to measure and monitor the performance of employees who work in these particular areas. Secondly, quality. So organizations may have measures that determine the quality of products or service delivery or services. So these levels could be quantified such that if the quality mark that has been set is achieved, then it is possible to use this as a performance measure to be able to measure whether the products and the services are meeting the set and expected targets or standards. Thirdly, achievement of objectives. Achievement of objectives. So there are certain objectives that may be set that an employee or worker is expected to achieve in a given period of time. So this period could be 2 weeks. 2 weeks could be after, say, 2 months. 2 months, or could be after 6 months, or whatever period that is agreed. So where an employee achieves to a particular extent the objectives that have been set, then it can be said this could be used to measure the performance of this particular employee and to measure the realization of these goals that have been set, or targets or objectives, and that can be used to monitor performance and also for intervention measures where these are not being achieved. Another indicator that could be used in relation to performance for employees, for instance, who work in the marketing department, could be the level of, say, market share. Market share. An organization could be operating in an environment where the market share for its products or services is 5%, and in a given period of time, they set that the market share should be increased to, say, 8%. 8% market share. So if in a given period of time, an employee or a unit or a department is able to ensure the market share that is achieved is 7.6%, then it can be said that these workers have achieved 7.6%, which is 0.4% less of what they intended to achieve. And this can be used as an example of a performance measure that an organization can use in terms of market share to measure, monitor, and evaluate the performance of this particular employee, this particular department, or this particular unit in a working environment. So these ones are examples of 4 performance measures or indices that could be used to be able to measure performance.